I'm Mark Steele, real estate broker since 2011, and my goal is to give you all of the real estate information that you need and make it as simple as possible. You're listening to the Simple Real Estate Podcast. If you've gone through financial stress, sold a home, or maybe you're in the middle of resetting your situation, here is the question that matters most. What happens next? Because the goal is not just to get out of a tough spot financially, but it's to actually rebuild stronger than before. Rebuilding financial stability is not about quick wins, but it's about creating a foundation that actually lasts. Let's start with what stability really means. For you, and for me as well, stability could mean your income comfortably covers your expenses. You're not relying on credit to survive. You have some level of savings in your accounts, and you have a plan. Now here is the reality. After a financial reset, whether that involves selling a home, paying off debt, or downsizing, you have a unique opportunity. You get to rebuild with intention. First, we'll talk about cash flow. This is going to be your starting point. If your monthly expenses are lower than before, that gap becomes your power. Even $500 a month in positive cash flow can change your trajectory over time. Second, we have debt management. Focus on eliminating high interest debt first. Credit cards in Canada often carry rates close to 20% or more, and paying those down is one of the best returns you can get. Third, emergency savings. Most experts recommend 3 to 6 months of expenses. That might sound like a lot, but it starts small and grows over time. Consistency matters more than size in the beginning of your process. Fourth, rebuilding credit. If your credit took a hit, you can rebuild it. Make payments on time, keep balances low, use credit strategically and not emotionally. And here is the mindset shift. You're not starting over. You're starting smarter. This is something I talk through with clients all the time after the sale of their properties, because the sale isn't the finish line, but it's a great reset point for your finances and for theirs as well. If you're coming out of a tough financial situation right now and you want to rebuild the right way, you don't have to figure it out alone. Reach out to me. There's never any judgment, never any rush, and definitely no pressure. I can help you map out your next steps so you're not just stable, but you're moving forward with confidence. I'm Mark Steele, your real estate broker, and my contact details are down below. Email me, give me a phone call. I'm here to help.